Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing of this hair straightener brush by Whall. It's electric, and the box is really cute. It opens this way. Check it. Yep. It explains how you maintain and clean the brush. That's the brush itself. It's packed nicely. Let's get it out of the box. So I removed the packaging. Yes, the control buttons here. This is name, Nicebay by Whall. It looks really nice. Looks really stylish. See it in action. So we just plugged it in. Shows as it's off. Turn it on. Okay, now it's on. Here is, as you can see, the degree of warm. It's really warm. It's increasing here. It's really hot. Yeah, it's working and it's really great. So I highly recommend it, and thank you for watching.